Hi, so I just launched fundraising campaigns for my first self-publishing cookbook called Anime Desserts in Real Life. A part of the cookbook making process involves props. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made some DIY props using $1 items from Dollar Tree. For the first prop, I glued a rope on top of cardboard to form a trivet. After I hot glued the rope on top of cardboard, I used a scissor to trim off the edges of the cardboard. Normally, trivets like this cost more than $5. This was very easy to make and I am impressed at how it turned out. So next, I made a chalkboard prop using a white plastic cutting board and black chalkboard paint. Making my own props definitely saved me a lot of money. Since I am self-publishing the cookbook and I am unemployed at the moment, I don't have any financial help. Anyways, I hope that you found this video helpful. Please check my fundraising campaigns for my first cookbook. Links are in the video description. Thank you for watching and have a sweet day.